right, everybody, here's your core bites number 129. The first one says, is 87 prime or composite? Okay, and the answer would be composite because it does have numbers that you can multiply by to get it. Okay, so if you take 87 and if you add the 8 plus the 7, you would get 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So that's one way that you can help yourself know that it is a composite number. It is divisible by other numbers. For number 2, estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Okay, so you're going to either round up or stay the same. So 75, the 5 is going to tell the 7 to go up, so it's going to become 80 to the nearest 10. And then for 81, that's going to stay 80. Add 8 and 8, you're going to get 16. And then add that 0 because 80 plus 80 gives you 160. For the next one, 348 is going to round to 350. 1,302 is going to round to 1,300 or 1,300. And then when you add those together, you're going to get, if you go from the side, you're going to get 1,650. Okay? And then for your last one, 143 is going to round to 140. 2,479 is going to round to 2,480. When you add those together, you're going to get 2,620. And you would just come over here and you would just line them up by their place value and then add them together. Okay? For number 3, subtract and simplify your answer. So the good thing is you already see they have the same denominator. Okay? So start with your whole numbers. So 15 minus 10 would give you 5. Your denominator is going to be 3. So 2 minus 1 would give you 1. And it's already simplified. You cannot make 1/3 go any lower than that. Okay? For number 4, a rectangular sheet of silver measures 6 inches by 8 inches. It is worth $7.50 per square inch. What is the value of the entire sheet of silver? Okay? So it measures 6 by 8 and it's $7.50 per inch. So what you should do first is multiply 6 times 8 to see how much square footage you're going to have. 6 times 8 gives you 48. Then you're going to multiply $7.50 times 48 to see how much it's really going to cost. So you would line up the $7.50. Then you would take the 48. So you are going to have to do a 3-digit times a 2-digit to make this work. So let's see what we've got. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5 would give you 40. You're going to regroup. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 4 would give you 60. Okay, then you're going to hold the place right there. Bring that down in the ones place because you're going to have to move over. So then you're going to cross out the 8 because you're done with it. You're going to go to the 4. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 would give you 20. Regroup the 2. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 would give you 30. And then all you're going to do is just add them together. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 6, 3. Then because we're doing decimals, you had 2 decimal spots in the hundredths place over here. So you're going to come over twice, 1, 2. So your total for this would be $360. No cents for that one. And then for your last one, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? It's perfect, so the answer would be yes. Okay? So guys, please take a look at yours. Make sure if you have questions, please let us know so we can help you with those.